Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Temu affiliate program and TikTok. And I'm going to show you an amazing new AI that will create those videos for you. And literally, only thing you need is a creativity and that's it. This AI will make those videos for you and not just for TikTok. You can also upload these videos on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Facebook, and so on and so on. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose a theme of your TikTok page. Second thing you need to do, you need to go here on Temu and you need to find products to promote. So let's say, for example, that I'm in dog niche. So here I will simply search for dog or dogs. And here I can see there is lots of dog related products here on Temu. So let me just open one of these. For example, this first one, I will open it in new tab. And here you can see this is the product. Here I can see price and some additional informations. And here I can see images, but these images, they are not exactly what I'm looking for. So I will close this and let me open another product here. So let me just scroll. Okay, let's say, for example, this product here, I will open it in new tab. And here you can see this actually looks much better. So let me just go through these images. Okay, this image is good image. It is not perfect, but it is better than the previous product. So what I need to do, I need to click here on this image, right click here, save image as, and save this image to my desktop. And in the minute, you will see why I need this image. So now when I have this image, now I need to make a video. Now for that, I'm going to use a new web-based software called Halo, okay? And what you need to do, you need to click here on sign in. And you need to sign in with your Gmail account. After that, you will come to your dashboard. And this is how your dashboard will look. And here we can see videos that other people created. As you can see, these are actually really good and people are creative. So for example, look at this video. Really good. As you can see here, also look at this video. Amazing, right? Look at this. And best thing about this software is here you can see exact prompt that someone who created this video actually used to make this video, and you can even copy this prompt and you can use it as an inspiration for your own video. Now there are actually two ways to make a video on Halo. So first way is to simply give it a prompt, and I can say something like this: a cute puppy sleeps comfortably in the back seat of a car while the owner enjoys the ride. And this is important. Here, leave this on. Why is that important? Because when you give a simple prompt like this, then software will automatically create more details and make a better video. So leave this on. Click here on this 30 and you will exchange 30 credits to create this video. Now, depending on how long this video is and how many details this video has, this can take up to a few minutes. And this is how my video looks. As you can see, it's actually really good. So this is the first way. Now, second way is to use the image that we downloaded from Temu. So I will go back here. And now what I need to do, I need to click here to upload the image that I downloaded from Temu. This is the image. Here you can see this is the image that I downloaded from Temu. And here I need to give it a prompt, a new prompt. And I can say something like this: camera enters the back door of the car and shows the dog enjoying the ride, right? And again, leave this on. And click here to exchange 30 credits. And like I said, depending on how many details you have and how long this video is, this can take up to a few minutes. And this is my video. Here you can see how this actually looks. So as you can see, it's actually really well. So what you need to do, you can simply download this video. Just click here on download and download this video to your desktop. Now, as you can see, these videos are either square or horizontal videos. You need to make a vertical videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now, you don't have to use images from Temu if you don't want. You can find a lots of images here, for example, on Pixabay. So here I will simply search for dog, okay? And then press enter. And then here when I go on orientation, I will go on vertical. And now it will show me only vertical images of dogs. Now, why I use Pixabay? Because Pixabay will give you royalty-free images. You can also use Pexels or Unsplash if you want. And all you have to do is just, for example, click on this image and then here, when you click here you can choose the size of your image, click on download, and you will download that image. Go back here on Halo, upload it, give it a prompt, and create that new video. So now when you have your video, now you need to upload it on TikTok. So you need to go here on TikTok, and this is one of my TikTok pages, and here you can see there are lots of dog related videos. And look at this, this is actually created by AI. Also, this video created by AI. Look at this, 77 million views, 1.2 million views. So AI created videos are getting lots of views if you are creative. So this is my page here. When I go on profile, here you can see I have 12.8 thousand followers. Now, when you have more than 1,000 followers, you can add a clickable link in your bio. So now you need to click here on upload, and you need to upload that video. So click here on select video, and let me just find the video that I created. And this is the video. Click here on open, and now it is uploading this video, as you can see here. So now I need to give some description. For that you can use ChatGPT and also use some hashtags, and if you can mention someone. Now also, who can see this? Everyone. Publish now, or you can schedule it. Okay, now this is a thing. Also, this is really important. Videos that you create in Halo, they don't have any sounds, so I would recommend you to add some music. Now you can add music by using video editors like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, or you can add music by using Canva Video Editor. Also, you can find royalty-free music on YouTube Audio Library. Or if you are uploading this video on TikTok from your smartphone, you can then add a music directly here that TikTok is providing you. And that is actually a best option because TikTok will give you trending songs. Add that song to your video, okay? And after that, all you have to do is just click here on post, and you will publish this video to your TikTok page. And like I said, you can go here on Pexels, and here you can find lots of dog and puppy related images. And then you can use Halo to create videos, interesting videos, like for example, these guys did here. Okay, let me just go here. Here you can see like this video here. This video would probably get lots of views. Also, this is a really cute video, and it would probably get lots of views. Create videos like this. Here you can see exact prompt that this person actually used. Create similar prompt and make similar video. Go back here on your TikTok page, upload it, and trust me guys, you will get lots of views on your TikTok videos, and you will start getting clicks on your affiliate link that you added in your TikTok bio. And also upload these videos on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, on Pinterest, on Facebook, on TikTok, wherever you can, to get as much traffic as you can. So this is how you make money with Temu affiliate program and TikTok. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.